Good morning, student. Today we solve exercise number first B, question number 9. Okay. The mark price of an article is 6,000 rupees. Okay. Mark price means printed price. A wholesaler sells it to the dealer at 20% discount. The dealer further sells the article to a customer at a discount of 10% on the mark price. If the rate of GST at each stage is 18%, find the amount of GST paid by the dealer to the government. This is question number 9. Okay, means mark price is given 6,000. Now in this question there are three stages: wholesaler, then dealer, then customer. Wholesaler sell his product to the dealer, then dealer sell his product to the customer. Now mark price is 6,000, but wholesaler sell his product to the dealer at a 20% discount. So first we find the discounted value. So 6,000 into 20%, because 20% discount, 0 and 0 cancel. 60 into 20, 1200. Means wholesaler gives 1200 discount to the dealer. Now selling price will be mark price minus discount. Mark price 6,000 and discount 1200. 6,000 minus 1200 is equal 4,800 selling price. Means the selling price of wholesaler is 4,800. Then cost price for the dealer, CP for dealer will be 4,800. CP is equal 4,800 and SP for wholesaler 4,800. Wholesaler selling price 4,800 and it purchased by the dealer, so the cost price of the product will be 4,800. Understand? Now next, now the article of the customer, now further sell the article to the customer at a discount of 10%. Again dealer sell the particular product to the customer at 10% discount on the mark price. So mark price again 6,000, so we find 10% discount, 0 and 0 cancel, so it is equal 600. Means dealer gives 600 discount to the customer. Now selling price is equal mark price minus discount, means 6,000 minus 600 is equal 5,400. Means dealer sells product, selling price is equal 5,400. Dealer sells the particular product to the customer at 5,400 rupees. Okay. So the CP for the customer, CP is equal 5,400. Selling price 5,400 for the dealer and customer purchase at 5,400 rupees. Okay. So you have to find, what is the question? Find the amount of GST paid by the dealer to the government. So first we find the GST. So we find the input tax. Input tax means the tax received by the government in the previous process. So the selling price is 4,800 for the wholesaler. So 4,800 into 18%, because the GST rate is 18% at each stage. So find the 18%. So 864. Now the output tax means dealer sell the particular product to the customer. So the output tax will be 5,400 into 18%. 0 and 0 cancel, 972. So input tax 864 and output tax 972. It means tax paid by the dealer, output tax minus input tax. Output tax minus input tax. So output tax 972 and input tax 864. So the remaining price will be 108. Means 108 rupees will be paid by the dealer, because the input tax already received by the government. So the remaining tax, that is the 108, will be deposited by the dealer. Okay. The second method is you can also find by using the profit. You can first you have to find the profit. Dealer purchased the at 4,800 rupees and he sell his product at 5,400 rupees. So you can find what is the profit for the dealer. Profit is equal 5,400 minus 4,800 is equal 600. Means dealer receives 600 profit to the particular product and GST is 18%. Now find GST 600 into 18% is equal 108 rupees. 600 into 18%, 108 rupees. Same answer, 108, because the government received the tax, only tax will be added on the profit in the further process. So dealer make a profit of 600, that's why the profit tax will be on the profit. 600 into 18% is equal 100. Okay, understand? Okay student, now we solve question number 11. For a trader, mark price of a refrigerator is 15,680 inclusive of GST at the rate of 12%. Inclusive means the GST is included in the mark price of, that is 15,680 and the rate is 12%. On the mark price, Gagan, a customer for this refrigerator, asked the trader to reduce the mark price of the refrigerator to such an extent that its reduced price plus, main point, its reduced price plus means its reduced price plus GST on it is equal to the what? Mark price of the refrigerator. Find the required reduction. Okay, so two important points are there. First, inclusive, the mark price inclusive of GST. Then the Gagan asked that reduce the mark price of the refrigerator to such an extent that its reduced price plus GST on it is equal to the mark price of the refrigerator. Find the required reduction. Okay. So first, we don't know what is the mark price. So let the mark price be X, rupees X. Then X plus 12% of X is equal 15,680. Why? Because mark price inclusive of GST. So suppose the mark price is X, then plus 12% of X means it is the GST. So X plus 12% of X is equal 15,680. Now 12% means 12 upon 100. Now solve it. So 112 upon 100x is equal 15,680. Then cross multiplication. So now solve this. So you get the x is equal 14,000. Means the initial mark price will be 14,000. Initial mark price is equal 14,000 rupees. Okay, now the Gagan asked for the price reduction of rupees y. Suppose the y is the reduction price. Then the new price will be, the initial price is 14,000 and the new price will be 14,000 minus y, because y, we suppose that y is the reduced price. So 14,000 minus y. Now GST on the new price. New price is 14,000 minus y. So GST on the new price 12% of 14,000 minus y. Now according to the question, what is the question? That reduced price plus GST equal to the mark price. So reduced price plus 12% of 14,000 minus y, that is the GST, equal to the mark price. Mark price is what? 14,000. Understand? price plus GST is equal mark price. Now 14,000 and 14,000 cancel because both are in the positive sign, so you can cancel. Now minus by plus 12 upon 100, 14,000 minus by is equal 0. Then transfer this, so by is equal 12 upon 100, 14,000 minus by. Now cross multiplication, so you got the answer by is equal 1500. Okay, so the reduction price is 1500, 1500 rupees. Okay, your answer will be 1500. Understand? So first you have to find the mark price. Then according to question it is given that the reduced price plus GST equal to the mark price. Reduced price plus GST is equal mark price. So you can calculate this. So your answer will be y is equal 1500. Okay student. So this exercise and this chapter also finish. Now you solve question in your exercise, and if you have any types of problems, so you can contact in my WhatsApp number, so I will solve your problem. Okay, thank you.